Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to read paid news articles for free. So if you've seen website claiming there's a secret trick that can unlock every paywalled article, then here's what you should know. The truth is there isn't a legitimate way to bypass a publisher's paywall and access paid content without authorization. However, you can look for legitimate free access options. Some publishers offer a limited number of free articles each month, newsletters, free trials, or promotional access. You can also check whether your school, university, employer, or local library provides access to the publication. Another option is to search for the same story from another reputable news source that offers the information for free. And if the article is available through a legitimate free trial, then follow the publisher's instruction to sign up and cancel according to its terms if you don't want to continue. So those are the legitimate ways to access paid news content without bypassing the paywall. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.